Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the best products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you garden enthusiasts out there. We're taking a close look at the Worx Edger Lawn Tool, an electric lawn edger that promises to deliver professional-looking results. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the key features of the Worx Edger. This powerful tool comes equipped with a 12-amp motor and a 7.5-inch blade that spins at an impressive 4,700 revolutions per minute. This means you'll get those clean and precise edges you've always wanted for your lawn. One standout feature is its 3 depth adjustment settings, allowing you to choose between 1 inch, 1 to 1/4 of an inch, and 1 to half an inch. This versatility ensures you can tackle various tasks with ease, whether it's basic lawn edging or more substantial trenching. Now, check this out: the Worx Edger comes with a cutting line guide that helps you stay on the straight and narrow. You'll notice a significant difference in the results when you're done. Another great feature is the adjustable shaft and D-grip handle. This makes it comfortable to use for users of any height. Whether you're tall or short, you can find a position that suits you. Worx takes pride in engineering their lawn edgers with cutting-edge technology and efficiency. This tool is built to last, making it a cost-effective addition to your collection of yard tools. To give you a better idea of how the Worx Edger stacks up against the competition, let's compare it to a similar product from Amazon Basics and Black & Decker. As you can see, the Worx Edger offers an impressive combination of power and precision. It's a versatile tool that can handle various tasks with ease. If you're interested in enhancing your Worx Edger experience, there are some great accessories available. You can get replacement blades, a leaf blower, or even a pole saw, depending on your needs. Now, let's see the Worx Edger in action. We'll take it outside and give it a spin to show you just how well it performs. In conclusion, the Worx Edger Lawn Tool is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to achieve professional quality lawn edges and trenches. With its power, versatility, and user-friendly design, it's a valuable addition to your gardening arsenal. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.